Have you ever looked at an old photo and felt a weird sense of déjà vu? Like you're looking at someone who shouldn't exist yet? Today, we're looking at 40 celebrities who prove that either time travel is real or the simulation is recycling its favorite characters, from Roman emperors to Civil War soldiers. Wait until you see the one that looks exactly like Mark Zuckerberg. It gets weirder. We've seen the actors, but what about the historical figures who look like they just stepped off a movie set? Stick around for the final 5, because the resemblance between a certain action star and a former pope is actually terrifying. Let's keep going. So, is it just a coincidence, or are these icons literally immortal? My money is on Keanu Reeves. That man hasn't aged in 400 years. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below, and if you have a historical doppelganger, I want to hear about it. Don't forget to hit follow for more glitches in reality.